Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to connect Node.js 14 long-term support version with the Oracle database 12c, which is running on my local machine. So I have already installed Oracle database 12c, which is running in my local machine on Windows 10 operating system. So I also already installed Node.js 14. So let me show that. So Node.js 14 I have already installed and it's available in the path. So now I am going to connect to Oracle database 12c. Let me show the JavaScript program. So this is a JavaScript program, that is Node.js program. So it requires one package called oracledb. So we need to download one package called oracledb, and this is the logic. So it's create one connection and connection string. So connection string I am passing username, password. Okay, now I am going to log into Oracle database 12c, and this is the table name. Okay, so these are the records I am going to fetch in the program. So this is the logic. So this will execute the query select star from person and it will display the records. So now I am going to run this program. So first command is npm install oracledb. So this will install the oracledb package. So it will be downloaded from npm JS repository. So oracledb 5.5.0 is a package version installed. So here you can see that this is the package details. So wherever you have the JavaScript program, in that directory you need to download the packages. So JS program is the directory where I am having the Oracle program. So in that program only I need to download the package. Okay. So now I am going to run the JavaScript node-oracledb.js. So you can see that all records are fetched from person table. Let me cross verify. You can see that all the records got fetched from person table in Oracle database 12c.